Roof Repair Temecula. Top-rated roofing services in Temecula. Reliable, affordable and professional. Quality materials and workmanship. Using the best materials for durability and reliability. Our services. Roof repairs and maintenance, new roof installation, tile, shingle, and flat roofs. Why choose us? Licensed and insured, 10+ years of experience, 5-star customer reviews. Serving Temecula and beyond. Proudly serving Temecula and surrounding areas. Customer testimonials. You can see our happy customers, which were satisfied from our work. For free roof inspection you can contact us on 951-528-4344. And for more details, you can visit our website.